Hi everyone, the last website I'm going to show you is Nearpod. The ISTE standards I chose are 7A and 5A. I chose Nearpod because I love how interactive it is. I can use this with my colleagues if I'm giving a presentation and have them interact while I'm giving the presentation. I can use it with my students and see if they are understanding the concepts that we're talking about. This is just a great interactive platform for any lesson. You can create your own, or some teachers have already created lessons that you can find. Some are free and some you have to pay for. When you log on, you can sign up for free right here. I currently have an account, so I'm going to sign in. And then it'll bring you up to essentially your teacher dashboard. There's all different things you can do. You can pull up reports for your lessons that you've already done. You can create lessons, I'm going to go to my library because I have lessons that I found or created. This is one that I created. It is a vocab lesson. You can do the live lesson, so it is live up on your smartboard and the kids can go along with you. You can also have a student pace where you assign it to them on their computer and they go at their own pace. If you are creating your lesson, you can edit here or you can preview the lesson. So when it comes up, it'll look something like this, similar to this from the live lesson, and you can see what you have as your slides. It's like a PowerPoint except more interactive. So students are actively following along and following all of your slides, and you can have interactive pieces in them. So I love Nearpod. I love using it for my students and having them interact. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.